Okay, so can you type nan over here in the JavaScript? Type nan,
Okay.
capital A, small a, n. No, no, small a. So what is the use of this nan?
Nan means its full form is not a number.
Hmm.
Uh, when, for example, uh, we can addition in two 10. I will give you some example.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, not a number. Full form is not a number.
Yeah, that is correct, not a number. Okay. So if you type nan, okay, and if you
Uh,
give something inside that a string or something, then it will return true false. Okay. Is
okay.
that is number or not? Do one thing, write a console.log. Okay. Console.log. Use that nan, capital N, small a, and n capital. Okay. Inside that, put your name or test. Opening, closing. Inside that, put something.
This.
Yeah. Put test or anything over there. Okay. Remove that line number one and run this. Okay. Yep. In a console, can you check? You can click on that hide. nan not a function. Just a minute. Okay. So type. Can you type there? Type of nan in
What?
that in a console. Type. Remove that test.
Okay.
Yep. Just put a type of nan. So what exactly it returns at the end? What is the return type of nan?
I think false.
No. Type of nan. Type of.
Type of NN. Type of NN may undefined.
No. It returns number. Okay. Because at the end you said that it get created as a you can combine something with it, correct? You might have seen that no, you don't need to add that opening closing, just type op and space nan.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I
Mm,
think that
um,
something is the problem with this nan in this console, so that's why it is not returning. Can you
okay.
do one thing? Copy this and open to inspect here. No, 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 no. Copy this, right click,
Copy. Okay.
copy
Give me
this,
some.
right click, inspect, go to console. Clear this first. No, that's fine. Clear this. Okay, paste it now. Small o, not a big.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. It returns number, not a string or anything. Okay. Okay. Can you open a chat? I'm pasting some small code and copy that.
Okay.
Okay. Just close this, close that and paste it here. Okay, and tell me what
I think its output is hello.
okay, and why?
Um, because of empty array, um,
What it
empty
will empty array means what it will print. True, false means what?
empty array define false, um, because of no any elements in there, or location of empty array defined in memory.
Okay, okay, run this. Yep, correct. Okay. So
Oh,
what exactly it is doing? We don't have anything inside that array, correct? So it is
okay.
returning false over here, and we're checking that.
Okay.
Okay. And okay. So one more thing. So have you heard about bind method?
No.
Uh, call apply bind.
No.
Okay. So read about that. Okay.
Bind and call apply bind.
Call apply bind. Yep, correct.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm giving you a small example to write down the code. Open a chat again. I'm pasting in the chat. Copy this. So this is the one question in the Nagaro interview also they asked. So in the coding interview, so from there I have seen this. Okay. So what you have to do, we have underscore correct over there.
Okay.
Okay. So the output should be, let me put in the here. So output should be like this. So initial should be capital, and after the underscore, it should have the capital D, contact details.
Okay.
Yep, like
Can
that.
I run this code?
No, you have to write a function for that.
Oh, what can you tell me again?
Open a chat,
Yes.
copy this, paste there. Okay, so your output should be like this: contact space details.
Okay.
Okay,
Next is
so your input will be the above line. Okay, you can give the any function name, whatever you want to give. Okay, can you do one thing? Can you scroll a little bit, push it up? That JavaScript, no library, pure JS. Just there is a horizontal line above that. No, no, not like
what?
that div I meant to say.
Where
Hmm,
is?
just a minute. There is a the JavaScript plus no library pure JS written, correct? Above that there is a horizontal line. Just above that. Just above that. There is a horizontal line about ID as well. Scroll. Now write your code. So what you have to do, replace the space with
Uh,
underscore, okay? Otherwise replace
uh,
underscore with a space.
okay. I will come. I will first tell the logic. We can split the two context and detail to string. We can split using underscore. These two words are separately. Then we can use function character char at
Hmm.
0, and we can modify first character using lowercase to
Yes.
uppercase.
Okay.
अरे में गया अरे दोन स्प्लिट केल्यानंतर माझं कसं करायचं ना.
तुझ्याकडे अरे आलाय आता, ठीक आहे,
हो.
ARR. तुला त्याला लूप करायचंय. तुला आधी लूप करावं लागेल ना, त्याच्या आतला एक एक कॅरेक्टर घ्यायला स्टार्टिंगचा.
हां हां हां. ठीक. ठीक आहे, आता मला बाहेर यायचा. बटन जाऊन बटन जाऊन
हम्म. त्याला इंडेक्स दे ना आधी. कुठल्या इंडेक्सला अप्पर केस करायचंय? करेक्ट. कॅपिटल C. ते कन्सोल क्लिअर करतोस का एकदा?
हे का?
नाही, तो नाही, इकडचा राईट साईडचा खालचा. तो नाही रे, जिथं तू प्रिंट करतोय ना, तो वाला. What it is saying? No, below one.
अप्पर केस युग बटन नाही. नॉट.
Okay, let me give you. What is your array name? ARR. Copy this.
ओके, यू कैपिटल है, टू अपर केस.
What is that error?
व्हाट?
There is one error at the end. What is that error? Cannot read property. First
Cannot
read
read
the
the
error. What it is saying.
cannot read the property of undefined character at.
Okay. So what it is saying that you have ARR, correct? So it is not getting that value there.
Okay. So character at. You can also write this name. अब इसको बाइंड कैसे करना पड़ेगा, तो चलना पड़ेगा।
Okay, let me give you that example. Remove everything from there. Okay, and copy this code and paste it. Run this. Okay, you got it. Contact details. Okay, just debug this code later.
ओके।
Okay, okay. So we'll move to the next question. Okay. So do you know closures?
यस।
Okay. So what is the
क्लोजर,
meaning of it?
क्लोजर मीन्स access outer function variable inside in inner function.
Okay,
uh, I think this is closure.
that's it.
uh, Outer function lexical, inner function function access lexical scope of outer function. And
Can you access something like that in some of the other function as well? Means you create one function now, correct? Here,
okay.
if you create another function in this, then it will be a closure. Then,
uh,
if you access something from there,
Access variable outside function.
no, no. Read about that. Okay. So this is the one very tricky question mostly get asked. Okay. So read more
उनका
about.
मतलब मुझे एक बार इंटरव्यू में पूछा था
Mm-hmm.
कि कौन सा फंक्शन लेक्सिकल होता है। तो
Hmm.
उस समय मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने सर्च किया, मुझे एग्जैक्टली ऐसा आंसर नहीं मिला, मुझे अंडरस्टैंड ही नहीं हुआ।
नहीं नहीं, यूट्यूब पे देखो, यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारे वीडियो है उसके।
ओके।
ठीक है ना, उसका थोड़ा पढ़ो, क्योंकि मैं बताऊंगा ना तो तुम भूल जाओगे फिर से मैंने क्या
ओके।
बताया वो बाद में,
ओके।
जैसे तुम अभी भूल गए हो।
ओके।
ठीक
ओके।
है, जब तुम डिबग करोगे ना खुद से तब तुमको पता चलेगा कि एग्जैक्टली क्लोजर क्यों रहता है, क्यों यूज करते हैं, उसका बेनिफिट क्या है।
ओके।
ठीक है, तो okay, so what are question we talked about, so debug those, so then only you will relate more. So if I give you like this code, then you just see that code, we are doing this fragment one and we are doing uppercase, so yeah, that is working. But while you are writing the code you get stuck. So that's why I think that practice is more important. Okay, and what about this, have you heard about this in JavaScript?
मीन्स
This, have you heard about this?
this keyword is depend on uh, what function is function called.
Okay,
uh, Means
anything, anything
function
else?
function is global or this keyword value is changed on where function is called. This keyword value
Hmm.
change in function
Mm-hmm.
depend on function.
Okay, okay, read about this. Okay, more. And have you heard about rest operator and
uh,
spread operator?
no, I don't know.
Okay, so are you sure?
Yes.
You might have been used in Angular.
uh, Spread operator, I think start with three dot.
Rest also start with three dots.
What?
Rest also start with three dots.
Okay.
See,
No,
this is the core concept of JavaScript. Okay,
okay.
so you should know about it. Okay, open now this document. We'll talk about it. Open the document I have shared with you in the chat and practice from here. Scroll down. Yep, scroll down. Scroll down. Wait. Just scroll up. Just scroll up. Scroll up on that diagram. Okay. So if you see now spread operator at the top and the rest operator.
Okay, concat to array.
That is the one use of the concatenating to the array, but there are a couple of other use cases for the spread and rest. Okay. So in the first example, what it is doing, you have 5, 6, okay, and whatever in array, it is spreading everything. In आपण मराठीत काय म्हणतो की ते स्प्रेड करते फुटतंय.
हो. हा.
स्प्रेड म्हणजे फुटणं म्हणजे लक्षात ठेव का आपण डिवाइड करतोय त्याला.
ओके.
अरे तुझा 1 2 3 त्याला आपण तोडून 1 2 3 प्लेस करणार 5 6 नंतर असं.
ओके.
ठीक
ओके.
आहे. आणि रेस्ट म्हणजे काय आपण कंबाईन करतोय सगळं. ठीक आहे. फर्स्ट मध्ये आता बघ कॉन्स्ट फर्स्ट घेतलंय ना.
हम्म.
The 1 means first, okay, and whatever rest after 1 that will come into the rest. Okay, so your rest value will be 2 3 4 5 array, and first will be only first. Okay, and
ओके.
in your in the first example you will get 5 6. If your array has 1 2 3, then 5 6 1 2 3 like that. So this is the spread operator and rest operator. Okay. Yep, so read about this, you will find more questions at that bottom. Okay, and okay, so have you heard about debouncing and throttling?
Debounce, debounce time or debounce.
Yeah, it is same.
Okay. Debounce time means I'm using in Angular where
From where you import it, debounce time.
I'm using in search box.
No, that is correct. Actually, I am asking from where it comes.
RxJS.
Yeah, that was the question. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, we'll move to the next question then. Okay, so have you heard about shallow copy and deep copy?
No, no, I
No,
don't know, sir. No, sir.
you never copy one object to another object. In
Uh,
Angular, you do. At least sometime you have to do.
Copy one object to another object.
Hmm.
Yes, every time we work in Angular.
Okay, but there are two type of copy: shallow copy and deep copy.
No,
Okay,
I don't
that
know
I'm
this
asking.
thing.
Okay, let me give you for that one document. So just try to read those documents. Okay, after this our interview.
Okay.
So another document I have shared with you from the free that same website. Okay, read
Yes.
about that as well later.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Um. Okay. So our JavaScript is a asynchronous or synchronous? Any idea about it?
JavaScript is a synchronous language. It's run
Okay,
by compile line by line code.
correct. Okay. So to make it asynchronous, what we do?
Uh, we can use async await keywords.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think I promise
Correct.
can use also promise and observable.
Okay. We have callbacks as well. Okay.
Okay, call back.
Yeah, callback also we use in JavaScript.
Oh,
Okay. So that is also one thing. I'm pasting another one small code. Just give me the answer if you say in the chat. So don't need to copy. So what exactly it will print?
where function in access inside the function, then console का टाइम होगा. uh, I think answer is 20 because of where x is equal to 10, uh,
Hmm.
access inside the function, and where x is equal to 20 is hosted in in scope, and replace 10 value into 20, then print console.log x is equal to
Okay.
20.
Just a minute now. Okay. So what is meaning of hoisting? Means what exactly it does? Moving at the top, that's fine, but what value it will assign to that variable while moving at the top?
Means
See, you said that hoisting will happen over here with a var x
yes.
20 line number 5. Okay.
Okay.
But once it get hoisted, so what will be the default value for that x?
uh, uh,
Do you know
20.
exactly? No, Akshay. Do you know exact concept of hoisting? Means why hoisting is important for us?
No importance तो मतलब नहीं.
Okay, run this. Run this.
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me why it is undefined. Okay, so I
Okay,
will.
where x is moving top of the scope and
Which scope means where? Just write
function
down
scope.
where it will go. Just write
uh,
down your code while hoisting. How the code will execute.
X.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mm, I think uh, x is hosted in function
Mm-hmm.
top of the function scope.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Like this, x is undefined.
Hmm.
This undefined is print.
So this is what the I was been asking you. Okay.
Okay.
So while moving at the top in the hoisting, the variable assignment only top move up. Okay. Not variable declaration, not assignment. Variable declaration only. Okay. So
Okay.
whatever variable you have, that will be declared at the top. But any default value will be undefined of that.
Okay. But आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लगा कि x जब फंक्शन के अंदर आ जाएगा,
Which X?
x is equal to 10. When x is access inside the function, then x is equal to
How?
10
See, no. Okay. So okay. Now
because
tell
of
me.
global scope.
No. Wait. So what type of scope we have in JavaScript? Now tell me.
Local function and block scope.
Okay. So function scope means what?
Function scope means variable access uh, outside variable access inside the function, but cannot be accessed inside variable in outside.
No. Okay. I will tell you later. I will give you one YouTube video link. So read about that. Okay.
Okay.
If you watch that, then you can relate more this question. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, okay. So variable with a var keyword, it will be a function scope. Okay.
Okay.
So now what happened? You have the global variable x. Okay.
Okay.
And the same variable you have in the function scope. Okay. Then
Yes.
that value get that inside that value get 20. If you print now console dot do one thing, remove line number 4 and put x at the line number 9, console dot log x. Just copy line number 5 and put after 8. Copy that line and paste it. Okay. Now tell me what will. No, Akshay, place both the places. Copy, just copy, don't remove. Copy that and paste at line number 9. Okay. Now tell me what it will print now.
Uh,
And inside you know that it will
yes.
print undefined. Okay.
Outside and outside is 10.
Correct. Run now. Okay. So this is function scope and this is your global scope right now
Okay.
because we don't have any wrapper around it. So this will behave as a global scope. So inside that variable will be access only there only. Okay. If you
Okay.
come outside of that function, then you will get an error. Okay. So that's
Okay.
why that value get not updated with a 10 to 20.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if you read about it more, then you will relate more.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And okay. Okay. So, any question for JavaScript do you have? Means, I thought that we should be having this more interactive rather than having the theoretical question. So, you know that we have too many videos on our channel, so you can take the theoretical question from there. So, at least this will help you to understand the concepts, correct?
Okay.
Means
Yes.
why we are doing like this, then what exactly meant to say. Now you said that that function scope will be having that var 20 at the top,
Okay.
but you know now that hosting will be not been having the assignment, it will only the declaration. Okay,
Okay.
so read about those later.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
and just open a YouTube channel of Akshay Saini or type YouTube and go to YouTube and type Namaste JavaScript.
Yes. I know, sir.
So you should know everything. Means you watch that video, not you watch that video, but you have not note down anything from
I,
those videos. Just create your notes. Okay,
yes, sir.
he has created this playlist very well. Okay, so everything is there in single playlist.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever question I asked as of now today, okay, everything is there. All the
Yes.
concepts are there in the playlist. Not this. Go to playlist. You already know, so just go through those videos, okay, once.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those will be helpful for you. This is the Namaste JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that was the things related to JavaScript. Then HTML, CSS. Have you prepared for those?
Uh, I'm not prepared this. I'm only prepared for Angular.
Then only Angular question will not be coming. You will get throughout the questions for each. Okay. So I will ask you a small question. So have you heard about Flexbox?
Uh, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the elements of Flexbox?
Uh, Element means justify content center.
That is okay.
Justify content center. Justify content space between. Justify content space around.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, that's it.
That's it. Okay. And see, that is the display flex properties, not a flex box.
Okay.
Okay, so just inspect, right click on the JavaScript. No, at there is a header JavaScript spread operator. Right click anywhere, open inspect. In the CSS, scroll down, scroll down. There is a scroll bar in CSS, right side CSS, at the end, at the end. So this is what I was asking you. Box, below box.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah,
Box model.
yeah, flex box model.
Okay.
Okay, so read about that as well. So what is the things it has padding? If you update padding, then the border also get affected or not. So if it is you are adding more border, then your size of the element will increase or not. All those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And what are the default positions we have? What is
Default.
the default position in the DOM?
Uh, position absolute.
And why?
Uh, no, I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Because of
No,
moving.
default. No, no, no. See. Okay. Now tell me what is absolute first. Then I will tell you what is default. What is absolute means?
Absolute means absolute position means parent parent due position. Parent due position is start from left side, left top corner,
Hmm.
and it's when we can change left 30. It's change uh, left top corner to adding space left 30 pixel and moving to right side.
Okay. 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 So it will be a respective to your parent. Okay. So
Yes,
if you have parent as a relative, then whatever you add child as a absolute, so it will take the starting point from that. Okay. If you like the way you said that top 30 and all, so it will take the parent as a base of it. Okay.
yes,
And the default is static, not the absolute.
static.
Yep. Uh, okay. We'll move to Angular now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you said that you migrated your Angular application to 16, correct? One of the application.
Yes, 13.
13 to 16,
Uh,
correct?
yes, 13 to 17.
Oh, nice. Okay. So, what changes you feel that is very interesting now? Means what they have introduced in 16 and 17 in Angular.
In Angular 17,
Hmm.
in Angular 17 version, many changes. For example, change many type of syntax for using ng for and ng. Uh, we can use Angular 13 ng ng if we can use the star ng if
Hmm.
like this syntax. But Angular 17 we can write a syntax uh, same like JavaScript if open curly bracket and
Correct.
write actually we
Yep.
can use
Okay.
uh,
So kind
from
of React. Okay. We do
yeah.
write in the React kind of. Okay. And what about modules? What happened with the modules?
Modis is not the when we can create a project in Angular 17. Module are not uh, created at the beginning when we're creating a project. We can create manually
And
and adding some Angular 13 we can create a module.
hmm,
Common module or browser module is automatically import.
okay.
But Angular 17 common module is not imported there. We can
Okay.
manually import it.
Okay. Okay. So, but one thing, do we really need module now in Angular 17, 16?
Uh, no, no, really used to module.
Then how the Angular will work? If you're not adding your component to the module, then it will give you error, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then why it is not give error?
Um,
Okay. Last question on that. Have you heard about standalone component?
uh, I know what, but I don't explain. Standalone component means don't need to any no need to any module. Or, I
Hmm.
don't know, sir.
No.
Exact answer.
तू बरोबर सांगतोयस फक्त कन्फ्युजन करतोयस ओके.
Uh,
मी सांगतो. Okay. So earlier we do have Angular application on a module based. Okay.
yes, sir.
So over there, if you have one module, inside that you have five components. Okay. So
Yes,
you
sir.
have to add your components to that module.
Okay.
Okay. And you can create another module the way for the other one. Okay.
Yeah.
So that was the architecture. But now from the Angular 16, they have removed all the modules. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
the modules means module manually which we create. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you don't need to create any module. So they have introduced one flag standalone. While you create a component, you have template, correct?
Okay. Okay.
So
Using component decorator.
inside component decorator, they have introduced standalone property with a true. If you
Yes, sir.
set that property, then you don't need to import that module, that component to anywhere.
Okay.
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 So if you want to use that same component to the another component, just import it and put it into the imports.
Okay.
Okay. So if you put it into the imports, it's the same imports we do have in the module. Okay, earlier. So
Yes.
that comes to the component level now. So you don't need to add to the module. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how the standalone component works for us.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So let me check one small example for that so you can relate more. Standalone component. Okay. And what about other features? Means anything else?
Um, um, no, I don't know.
Okay. Open a chat. Okay. Forget about that. Okay. It is giving error because it has Angular 14, not a 16. Okay. See, that's standalone over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the property. Okay. And the inputs, whatever, if you go now in the template file, you will find the button or something over there used. Okay.
Yes.
So that to use those things, we have to import it now into the imports array. Okay. You don't
Okay,
need
sir.
to go to the modules and import over there.
Yes.
Okay. So this was the one change with it. Okay. And okay. So apart from this, I think that you know the what is dependency injection, why we use constructor, then what is declaratives, host binding, host listener, what is interceptor, why we use it, how to add header to the interceptor,
Uh,
data
yes, sir.
sharing,
All.
subject. You because you said that you know very well Java, Angular, okay? So that's why I did not dig into more in the Java,
Okay.
sorry, Angular.
But you have any cheat sheet or question in Angular?
Mm, those right now I don't have. I'm preparing that right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm creating one document the way we have for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you go to TopMed, you will find it. Go to that TopMed link.
Yes, sir.
It's in second tab. Okay. Oh, you are in this page. Okay, so I have that document. Let me give you that link. So I have created that as a paid, but you will get some of the discount over there. If you want to get it, then you can. Otherwise, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm, I'm pasting in the chat. So it includes right now HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. I think that you should prepare more in JavaScript as well. Okay. Because
Okay, sir.
you are lacking in JavaScript. And one more thing, the communication, Akshay.
Okay.
तुला त्यावर थोडं काम करावं लागेल. तू आन्सर बरोबर देतोयस. ठीक आहे. फक्त
हा पण
मधनं मधनं ना तुझं ना एक्सपिरियन्स इंटरव्ह्यूचा एक्सपिरियन्स कमी आहे ना. तू जे
हा
विचारलं होतंस ना मला का त्यांचा कॉल नाही आला परत.
हा हा हा
तर मे बी हा इश्यू असू शकतो. कारण काय असतं, तू जेव्हा इंटरव्ह्यू देतोस ना, आता कुठल्या कुठल्या कंपनीमध्ये कसं असतं रे, एक क्लायंट तुला देऊन देतात आणि ते सांगतात की अक्षय हा क्लायंट सांभाळेल पूर्णचा पूर्ण.
हा
ठीक आहे. बट इश्यू काय होतो, आता तुला जर एखादा क्लायंट दिला, बट
हा
तू इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये जर थोडं गडबडतोयस बोलायला,
हा
तर क्लायंट समोर कसं बोलणार?
ओके.
ठीक आहे ना. म्हणजे थोडंसं छोट्या कंपनीमध्ये असं होतं. मोठ्या
हा
कंपन्यांमध्ये कसं थोडंसं ते कम्युनिकेशन बघतात. बट जर त्यांना खरंच गरज असेल एखादा टेक्निकल पीपलची, तर
हा
ते मॅनेज करून घेतात तेवढं. त्याचा इश्यू नाही.
ओके.
बट तू
हा
थोडं कर एकदा व्यवस्थित प्रिपेअर तेवढं.
हा ठीक आहे, चालेल. मी जावास्क्रिप्टचं आणि HTMLचं प्रिपेअर करतो. आपण वाटलं
हो.
सर नेक्स्ट वीक मध्ये परत एकदा
हा चालेल.
भेटू.
मी असेल ना अवेलेबल तर आपण करू तसं एकदा इथनं बुक करून.
ठीक आहे चालेल. मग मी बुक कुठून ते टॉप मेट वरूनच करत ना?
तिथनंच करशील परत सेम जसं तू आधी बुक केलंस ना
हां.
सेम तसंच.
मग ते एव्हरी टाइम मला जेव्हा मॉक इंटरव्ह्यू शेड्यूल करता तेव्हा मला एव्हरी टाइम मला ₹200 पे करायला लागतील का?
तुला आता पण नव्हती गरज पे करायची. मी तुला नाही सांगितलं होतं.
पण तिथं तर ऑप्शन असा काही नव्हता.
तू जा
तिथं
बरं थांब. तुला मी आता सांगतो बाबा असं काय करतोय. ओपन कर ही लिंक.
ठीक आहे.
मी पाठवली तुला आता एक लिंक. नाहीतर एक काम कर. ते जे UI ठीक आहे कर ओपन. ते टॉपमेटने टाकलंय रे. ते रेकॉर्डिंगचे पैसे घेणार म्हणून. जा खाली स्क्रोल डाऊन कर मॉक इंटरव्ह्यू असेल कुठे. हा कर क्लिक यावर मॉक इंटरव्ह्यूवर. स्क्रोल डाऊन कर. कन्फर्म कर आधी कन्फर्म कर. खाली स्क्रोल डाऊन कर आता. बघ रिमूव्हचं बटन आहे.
ओके.
कर रिमूव्ह. झालं?
ओके, ओके. ठीक आहे.
झालं?
हो,
हा हे जे रेकॉर्डिंग आहे ना ही रेकॉर्डिंग तुला मिळेल आता आपली जे काही डिस्कशन झालंय ना सगळं.
हो.
ही रेकॉर्डिंग जर तुला हवी असेल तर
हां.
ते ऍड करायचंय नाहीतर नाही.
ठीक, ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे.
म्हणजे
चालेल.
आता तू केलंयस तर तुला भेटेल ही रेकॉर्डिंग बट तू ऍटलिस्ट रेफरन्स घेऊ शकतो ना आता याचा.
हो, हो, हो.
आता कसं राहिलं असतं मी एडिट करेन सगळा व्हिडिओ मी युट्यूबवर टाकेन तेव्हा तुला हा व्हिडिओ मिळाला असता नंतर.
ओके.
ऍटलिस्ट तुला आता हे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत तुझ्याकडे प्रिपेअर काय करायचंय कसं करायचं आपण काय काय बोललोय.
हो.
याची तुला लिंक आय थिंक ते पाठवतील टॉपमेटवाले.
ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. चालेल.
तर
हे
हा
प्रिपेअर करून आपण एकदा परत आता घेऊ.
येस ठीक आहे चालतंय मला पिंग कर ह्याच्यावर
ठीक आहे, ठीक
इंस्टाग्रामवर तुला हेल्प लागली तर काय.
आहे. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. चालेल. थँक यू सर.
चला बाय बाय.